Have you ever noticed how the quietest person in the room often holds the most power? While everyone is busy talking, the person who says the least is the one everyone is curious about. Today we're diving into the psychology of being mysterious and why it's your greatest social superpower. In a world where everyone shares everything, what they ate, where they are, and what they think, privacy has become a luxury. When you reveal everything about yourself, you become predictable. And when you're predictable, you lose your edge. Being mysterious isn't about playing games. It's about self-control. First, listen more than you speak. People love to talk about themselves. When you listen, you learn their secrets while keeping yours. Second, don't seek validation. A mysterious person doesn't need a like to feel good. Their confidence comes from within. And third, master the pause. Before you react, wait. That silence is where your power grows. Humans are naturally drawn to the unknown. By not revealing all your cards at once, you become a puzzle people want to solve. You become unforgettable. If you're ready to reclaim your power, comment silence below. And don't forget to subscribe for more psychological insights. See you in the next one.